Whether you are looking to obtain a thigh gap because you like how it looks, or are wanting one because you want to fit into those favorite pair of skinny jeans at the mall, there are several steps that you have to take in order to get there. It is important to note that it can be harder for some women to obtain the thigh gap due to their genetics. That being said, there are some healthy choices that have to be made in order for the process to work. Mainly, you have to make sure you are devoting yourself to the right type of exercises. First off, you are going to need to find a routine that tones, trims, and removes excess body fat from the entire body. You cannot spot treat any area of your body, as you do not decide where your body loses fat from. With this said, you need to do a combination of aerobic exercises, body training, and weightlifting. In this video, we are going to explore the most effective exercises to obtain a thigh gap fast. 1. Aerobic exercises. These include walking, running, climbing up and down stairs, swimming, jumping rope, ellipticals, spinning class, and even dancing. The important thing to remember here is that you should be doing at least 30 minutes of exercise 3 to 4 times a week. The exercise should be moderate to intense, as this is what burns fat. 2. Sumo squats. Sumo squats are also known as plie squats and are done by standing with your feet wide apart, toes pointed forward. You can do this exercise with or without weights, but it is always good to start without and add in weights when it becomes too easy. Tighten up your abs, keep your body in an upright position, and then bend at the knees. Push your butt backward as you squat and hold your hands in front of your chest. If you can, get your thighs to where they are at a 90-degree angle to the floor. Always keep the tension in your thighs and buttocks. Make sure to keep your upper body in a straight, upright position while maintaining the squat. Push back up slowly. 3. Leg lifts. These are fairly simple to do and only require you to lie on your side with your legs fully extended, stacked on top of one another. Lift the left leg on top as high as possible and as slowly as possible and hold it top height. Lower your leg back down slowly and then switch to the other side. You can add ankle weights to make this a bit harder. 4. Lateral lunges. Stand with your feet apart, in line with your hips, and put your hands down at your sides. Step as wide as you can to the left and lunge downwards toward the floor. Make sure to keep your body upright during this entire movement. Push off the floor and return to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. 5. Resistance band walking. This is a great exercise for cooling down your routine. If you have a resistance band, place it between your feet in a crisscross pattern. Take a wide step forward to one side and repeat, going forward and backward as necessary. Make sure to keep each step fluid and continuous. 6. Butterfly stretches. If you are flexible enough, sit down on the floor with your back straight and sit with your knees close to the floor. This resembles the cross-legged sitting pose, but you put the soles of your feet together instead. Draw your feet in towards your pelvic area as close as possible, and then try to lower your thighs down to the ground. Once you have lowered your thighs as far as possible, hold the position. 7. Inner thigh presses. It is recommended that you do this while sitting in a chair, as it's extremely easy to maneuver. What you do is sit straight up in a chair with your abs pulled in and place a towel, pillow, or other small but soft object between your knees. Squeeze your knees together as hard as you can and hold it for as long as possible. Repeat. Apart from exercises, other temporary methods include sleeping with a shapewear. Make sure your body shaper covers all your thighs. Finally, another healthy choice that can help you obtain the coveted thigh gap is by removing junk food from your diet, lowering your carbohydrate intake, and increasing how much fiber and protein you take in. Keep in mind that a healthy diet focused on vegetables, fruit, and lean proteins will go a long way in helping you burn away any excess fat from improper eating. Other than this, make sure you are not overeating, even if you are eating healthy, as this will still lead to weight gain. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos.